out for all your dearest ones. It can be a palace, a private universe, just anything you want, anything you want. It can be your shelter, your secret paradise. It can be a spaceship reaching for the sky. It just needs a little dreaming and gloom and fantasy. It's everything you want, everything. Welcome home, 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 home made by you. Welcome home, 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 home made by you. Welcome home. Home is where the heart is, that's what people say. And still the space around you can be a favorite place to stay. In every nook and corner you can find a memory. There's no place like home, no place like home. Let it be your anchor, unique and made by you. Let it make you happy in everything you do. Just keep your dreams blooming, it's your little world. Everything you want, everything. Welcome home.